If you're relying on ads to grow on LinkedIn, you're doing it the hard way. The real growth happens through direct, authentic conversations, and that starts with your outreach. But most teams are stuck sending manual messages, chasing cold leads, and burning hours just to stay visible. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your LinkedIn outreach the smart way, so you can spark more conversations, book more meetings, and scale faster without spending a cent on ads. So stay tuned if you're looking forward to this. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Comment your request down below, and let's begin. If you're already using LinkedIn, you know how ads work. If you're not using ads, the manual outreach become a full-time job. If you're a solopreneur, you'll have time for nothing else. In this video, we will go through what Deal Drifts is and how it can automate most of your outreach on LinkedIn. We will use these 3 steps to automate your outreach on LinkedIn. So what is Deal Drifts? It is a LinkedIn outreach automation tool that streamlines lead generation. There is no installation required as it is hosted in the cloud and is accessible using a web browser. That definition might be a lot to take in. So, in simple terms, it is an online tool that helps sales teams get more leads without spending hours finding out the right people, contacting them, and messaging people one by one. It automates that boring and repetitive parts of lead generation. It's a long list. Think of it as your behind-the-scenes assistant that works for you 24/7, helping you start more conversations with the right people. And just like Netflix or YouTube, Deal Drifts runs online in the cloud. You don't have to download anything or install any software. It's always up to date and ready to go from any computer. These are 3 simple steps that you follow to configure this. A campaign here is defined as the action sequence that runs on a target audience. Therefore, these campaigns do not need an ad. Let's take a closer look at each step. To define your audience, you'll need the Sales Navigator subscription. Once you have it, click on its symbol from your LinkedIn profile, and you're ready to start your first step. Choose your ideal customer using the filters given here. For example, I'm looking for people from small or medium-sized organizations. So let's take less than 200 people in it for now. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a list of 100 million people who belong to this category. I'm going to filter this further until I get the exact people I want. So I'll be focusing on CEOs, sales directors, etc. Once you have an ideal list ready, copy the link in the address bar as shown here. This will be used later to run our campaigns on. Here, we are logging into the Deal Drifts platform. The data here is from an ongoing campaign that is running. In order to start your campaigns, click on the campaign section on the left. Go to Create New Campaign and pick Smart. Click on the Add Search option to paste the link you copied from the Sales Navigator. There are other links that you can use here, but for now, paste a link here. You'll notice that there is a limit of 2,500 per campaign. So each time you run the campaign on this link, the system automatically takes in 2,500 and runs a sequence on them. You can rerun the campaign to find the next 2,500 from the same list. Choose the maximum count, add a related name, and click on Add Search. Now that the link is shown here, add the title of the campaign. I am adding Test Campaign and leave the rest as it is. Then open Sequence Builder. Here's where the fun begins, and also the place where you decide the actions that need to be taken to run the campaign to fruition. You have the option to choose the necessary actions and try out all the conditions to make your campaigns run successfully. Some of the actions include sending connection requests, post AI comments, like and follow a profile, send emails, and schedule any of these actions daily or hourly. Remember, our goal is not to spam, so use conditions and spaced out action to make sure you're not spamming. Once you're happy with the sequence you created, we go to the final step. Click on Start New Campaign to start your sequence and watch the system run and get you your lead right in your inbox, all warmed up, ready to converse and close. I already have a campaign running, so I am not going to run another one for now. The number next to the inbox show the people who are waiting for you to respond back to them. In this case, I have already responded to all these people who have messaged me, and there is one more who messaged back after office hours. When you click on it, you'll be able to see the ongoing conversation and respond back as needed. And that's it. Your LinkedIn outreach, fully automated, fully personalized, and running while you sleep. No more chasing cold leads. No more copy-pasting the same message again and again. Just warm conversations with the right people, landing directly in your inbox. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who could use a smarter outreach strategy, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And if you're ready to test deal drifts for yourself or have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and here's to working smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.